Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Dataset Spotlight. This is cancer survival for England. You can see where we get the data from on here. So I'll just have to show you around. There's only one table, cancer survival data complete, and it has data from 2002 to 2018 so far, with 217,000 rows. So let's have a look at what the data is. You've got these columns here by geography code, so like an area code, cancer site, gender, age at diagnosis, standardization type. Let's have a look at the different sort of things you get in each of these columns. You can also, just before I do that, you can see some extra columns here. Diagnosis year, years since diagnosis, patient numbers. And if I just run this code here, so cancer site, you've got those there. Gender, of course, just the three there. Age at diagnosis, 5-year age bands, but at certain levels. No, not 5-year age bands, sorry. But anyway, you can see the age bands there, and the standardization type that they're using in their calculations. Anyway, that's that. Thanks.